Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we are taking the absolute chaos of making money with artificial intelligence and organizing it into a crystal clear, actionable path. Look, if you're anything like me, you've probably got, 47 browser tabs open right now, with a brand new AI tool in every single one of them. It's crazy, right? There is literally a new tool launching every single day, and it is incredibly easy to get completely paralyzed by the sheer volume of opportunities out there. So our goal today is simple. We're going to cut through that noise, organize the chaos, and move you from feeling totally overwhelmed to actually taking action. Here is our roadmap for the Explainer. We'll start by curing your AI overwhelm, then move into AI content creation hustles, and explore AI business services. After that, we'll use something called the clear evaluation method to ultimately reveal the ultimate AI side hustle. All right, section 1, curing your AI overwhelm, finding clarity in the noise. It is time to address that shiny object syndrome head on. Because let's be real, while you might be spending months stuck in analysis paralysis, trying to weigh every single possible option, other people are simply picking a path and moving forward. Let me ask you, does your endless scrolling for the perfect AI side hustle sound familiar? You know the drill. You watch a piece of content, you think, yes, absolutely, this is the one, and you save it. But then, 5 minutes later, you see another post saying something completely different, so you save that one too. Before you know it, you've got a saved list of 20 perfect AI money-making ideas, but you've executed exactly none of them. You know AI is the future, you know the money is there, but you are just completely buried by the options. But I want to be very clear about something right now. It is actually not your fault. As this quote perfectly captures, you are simply standing in front of 100 doors with no idea which one to open. You aren't behind because you're lazy, and you aren't stuck because you're slow. Literally anyone would get stuck in this endless cycle of choices. The fact that you even recognize the massive power of AI, that is step 1. Most people never even get there. They're just ignoring it entirely. So today, we are taking step 2. We are going to confidently look behind these doors together. Moving right along to section 2, AI content creation hustles, focusing specifically on UGC and short-form clipping. The old way of creating content required expensive studios, massive production teams, and really complex video editing software. But today, specialized AI has made this incredibly accessible. Let's look at AI user-generated content, or UGC. Think about a skincare brand that's just desperate for authentic-looking TikTok ads. Historically, they had to hire an actor, set up the lighting, and shoot all day long. Now, you just upload a product photo, and AI generates a remarkably human face, voice, and script praising the product. It has super high demand from brands, healthy profit margins, and an extremely low skill barrier. You can easily charge a couple of $1,000s a month on retainer. But there is a catch. It has a natural service ceiling. Because the barrier to entry is so incredibly low, it's a highly crowded market. More importantly, your income scaling is directly tied to your working hours. If you want more money, well, you need to crank out more videos for more clients. And this brilliantly illustrates our second content model, AI short-form clipping. Every podcaster and creator out there has hours of long-form video, but they absolutely hate editing it down for shorts and reels. AI tools can now scan multi-hour podcasts in just minutes, find the best viral moments, and cut them for you. It's a fantastic way to generate recurring monthly income because creators constantly need new clips. But beware of what I call the factory trap. Because it's so easy, everyone is doing it, leading to a massive race to the bottom on pricing. It has the lowest ticket size, meaning you need a lot of clients to make any real money. And when you finally get those clients, you are stuck on an endless content treadmill. Every new client just adds hours of tedious quality checking to your workload. If you stop working, the factory stops, and so does your money. Replacing a 9-to-5 job with a 24/7 content treadmill kind of defeats the whole purpose of starting a side hustle, right? Let's shift gears to section 3, AI business service hustles. We're looking at websites and voice agents. If you are a bit more operationally minded and want to step away from the creative side of things, these side hustles solve immediate, highly expensive problems for local brick-and-mortar businesses. Think about a local plumber, a dentist, or a kitchen renovator. Millions of them are running real businesses with nothing but a dusty Facebook page and a phone number. They desperately need a website, but traditional web design is just too expensive and way too technical for them. With AI website builders, you just explain the vibe you want, upload some images, and the AI builds a highly professional site. You can easily charge a high-ticket price of over $1,000 for this, and the demand is completely obvious. But compare that to the massive downside. It's largely a one-and-done service. Unless you are successfully upselling complex SEO or ad services, there is no natural recurring revenue. You build a site, you get paid, and then you wake up at zero, constantly needing to hunt for that next customer just to survive. Now, the second business service is AI voice agents. Local businesses miss phone calls all the time, and every single missed call is a lost customer worth hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. An AI voice agent acts like a superhuman receptionist that answers on the first line 24/7, sounds completely human, and actually books appointments directly into the calendar. Setting it up is a surprisingly straightforward process. Step 1, train the agent on its specific job and scripts. Step 2, give it the business information and calendar access. And Step 3, set up call forwarding. That's it. While it does have a slightly steeper learning curve than just clipping videos, you can charge a massive setup fee plus a monthly retainer, simply because you are saving these businesses thousands of dollars in missed calls. Plus, an AI agent never needs a coffee break or calls in sick. Now let's see how this all stacks up. Section 4. The Clear Evaluation Method, an objective framework. We've looked at 4 really solid AI side hustles so far, but 5 proven options is still 5 options, which brings us right back to that overwhelm we started with. We need to transition away from subjective opinions and into an objective mathematical analysis. So the crucial point is how we actually score them using the CLEAR method. This is a 25-point framework evaluating side hustles across 5 categories, with each category worth up to 5 points. C is for competition. How crowded is the market? L is for longevity. Will this still pay you in 5 years? E is for effort. How hard is it to learn? A is for autonomy. Does the business run without you? And R is for recurring. Do you get paid repeatedly or do you start at 0 every month? Why does this matter? Well, because without scoring these categories, you're just going to choose a hustle based on hype rather than math. This framework cuts through all the opinions and reveals the undisputed winner. Which brings us to Section 5, the ultimate AI side hustle, breaking the time-money chain. It is time to look at the final data, reveal exactly how our side hustles scored, and introduce the 5th option that mathematically dominates the rest. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the final breakdown. AI UGC scores the lowest at 12, getting heavily penalized for massive competition and very low autonomy. AI clipping hits 14, dragging a bit due to that factory trap we talked about. AI websites edge out at 15, they score great on effort but terrible on recurring income. AI voice agents jump way up to 19. They have fantastic recurring revenue and autonomy, but the effort required to learn the tech is a bit steep. But look at that top spot. With a score of 20 out of 25, the undisputed winner is AI digital products. So why did it score so high? Because of the ultimate superpower of AI digital products. They completely break the chain between your time and your money. Think about things like ebooks, templates, paid communities, or software tools. In the past, you needed to be a massive expert with a production team to create these. Today, AI can research a topic, cross-reference studies, structure the whole thing, and write a full draft faster than any human alive. Imagine creating a specialized AI prompt guide for, say, real estate agents. You build it once, and it sells infinitely. The 10th sale costs you the exact same amount of effort and money as the 200th sale. There is absolutely zero marginal cost. There are no clients to manage, no ongoing services to deliver, and no ceiling tied to your hours. AI does the heavy lifting to build it, and you get to reap the ongoing leveraged rewards. So we've organized the chaos, you've seen the hard data, you've seen the pros and the cons, and you have the clear method to guide your thinking. The days of saving 20 different videos and taking absolutely zero action are officially over. So I'll leave you with this final, crucial thought. The options are laid out perfectly in front of you. Which door will you open today to finally step out of the chaos and start building? Pick your path, leverage AI, and let's get to work.